Kounelakis Nikolaos was born on 1829 in Chanin, died 1869 in Cairo. He studied painting at the Fine Arts Academy of St. Petersburg, where he distinguished himself, while in 1857, possibly influenced by the general trend of that period, he toured Italy for the first time. He ended up in Florence, which played a major part in his life, and where he lived for 10 years. There, he closely studied the work of the Renaissance and Baroque Masters, completing his artistic education of the Petersburg Academy.